We have all been there. You put perfectly round cookie dough into the oven, but 10 minutes later you pull out a flat, greasy puddle. You probably blame your recipe, your oven, or your flour, but the real culprit behind this baking disaster, it is your butter. Welcome to Bakeology, where we fix your baking failures with science.
To understand this, we need to look at what butter actually is. Butter is not just 100% fat, it is a delicate scientific structure. It is an emulsion made of about 80% solid fat and 15% water. When you melt butter in the microwave because you are in a hurry, you completely destroy its crystalline structure.
The emulsion breaks and the water completely separates from the liquid fat. When you mix this melted, broken liquid into your flour, the dough becomes dense and heavy with absolutely no strength. Inside the hot oven, this melted dough cannot hold its shape. It simply melts and spreads outwards before the flour even has time to bake.
But now, let's look at cool, room temperature butter. At this stage, the solid fat crystals are still perfectly intact. When you beat sugar into this solid butter, the sharp sugar crystals carve tiny air pockets directly into the fat. In the oven, these trapped air pockets expand from the heat.
The cold fat melts slowly, giving the flour enough time to bake and set. This allows the cookie to rise upwards and build a strong, thick structure. So what is the golden rule for perfect bakery-style cookies? Your butter should be cool enough to hold a fingerprint, but never melting. Have you ever ruined a batch of cookies? Tell us your worst baking fail below. Stop baking with guesswork and start baking with science. Subscribe to Bakeology for more delicious physics, and see you in the next lab.